And welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how to replace this Toyota Corolla car's front airbag sensor. And this sensor looks like that, and there is firstly this yellow airbag connector and 10mm bolt. And the difficult task in this job is that this connector is difficult to open, and after that opening we can take that bolt away. But next I will show that how to open that connector and also how we install this connector back, because this is difficult job. But let's go to look and I will show that idea, and then you can think that yes, it was really easy. Because this sensor is in just, there is radiator in here, and it is like just side of this engine's radiator. And now I have removed this radiator, and there is this front wheel, and this is like left side, and in right side we have both sides, one sensor in left side, and in here right side one sensor. And these are these crash sensors. When we have car crash, then these sensors react, and after crash we have to replace these sensors. Okay, but let's go to look firstly at how I open this yellow electric connector. Okay, and this connector is really, it works so that this yellow part is movable, and now it opens. And the trick is that I have to move this inner part in back, and then I can compress this away. And now it's like in lock position, and when I remove that, I move this yellow part firstly in down, and it opens in that way. And now there is no any trick that we don't need anything, only movement in back, and then this connector point opens. And then also when we install this connector back, this connector, it can be very difficult to install back, and that's we need to hard compress with like pliers. But in my case this moves nicely, and idea is that firstly in here, and now sometimes this locking pin I have to press that down, and then this opens. And let's look closer that we can see these parts. All of these airbag connectors, they are like safety lock, and it is difficult to install, but when we move that outer part in here and then pull out, and sometimes we need to press this inner part in down in that way, and then this part opens. And this locking is that way that I compress that, but sometimes it is so stuck that I need pliers. Sometimes I really need big pliers, because this connector, it could to be so hard that I need to compress these parts together with pliers. But in my case it opens nicely, and now I take this connector away, and then I need socket. I need 10mm socket, what fits in here, a little bit rusty, and carefully, now I have to be carefully that I can open this bolt, looks good, and then I take my wrench, then I install my wrench in here, and opening direction is in that way, in this direction, this is opening. Now it moves. This is opening direction, and now I remove this bolt. Okay, and now bolt is loosened, and I can take bolt away, and there is this sensor, and we can look the sensor closer. Okay, and there we can see the sensors this code, this product code number. You can see this product code 891730230 is this product code. There is this sensor airbag front, and this is product code when we order new one, and there is this bolt, and there we can see this inner part, and this is this other side, and this is like Toyota Corolla's sensor, year models 2004. Okay, that kind of information to you.